about the World Series. Let's go to this graphic right here because it's going to be certainly a lot warmer out there for the games out there. This is, of course, Pacific time. They start the game tonight at 5:09 out there. And, of course, our time is 8:09. But you know what? The hottest World Series game actually happened last year at Dodger Stadium when they were hosting the Houston Astros. And game number one, As the start of the game, the temperature was 103 degrees. So I'm so glad it's not going to be 103 out there for the Red Sox to be out there playing in that kind of heat. But they should do very well in temperatures around the mid to lower 80s at the beginning of the game. Well, that's out there. This is here. And we're looking at freezing cold morning out here. We're looking at temperatures which have fallen in the 20s in some of the suburbs in the last hour or so. There's a lot of cold weather in Canada and high pressure to the north of us. And it's that cold high to the north combining with the strong storm coming up from the south, which is going to give us all the wind. A lot of difference in air pressure over a relatively small area tomorrow. But we won't have any wind today. Unlike what happened yesterday when we had those gusts that made it add so much chill to the air. These will be highs across the nation today, and it's on the coolest side in many areas, except across the deep south. Here comes our system right down here from the Gulf of Mexico. It's going to be churning northeastward. Today we got that little bubble of high pressure to come across to give us very light wind for the most part. So we're going to see the clouds start to show up a little bit this afternoon, mostly high, thin stuff. As the temperature goes into the upper 40s, may fall a little bit into the 30s tonight, then start rising tomorrow morning as we get the wind starting to pick up from the northeast. So certainly should be raining here starting between 5 and 7 in the morning. The rain gets heavier during the morning pretty quickly, and it's just going to be soaking rain, soaking wet all day long, with some snow in the higher elevations way up north. Some real heavy rain in the afternoon over southeastern Massachusetts. A warm front gets close. Now there could be some thunderstorms with a warm front developing in here. A few stronger storms are possible down over the Cape while we continue to get the rain into tomorrow night. How much rain is going to fall out of this? It looks like we're going to get up about 1.5 to 2 inches in much of eastern Massachusetts and possibly a bit more over southeastern sections of the state. Where up north there'll be a bit of snow in the air and they'll be turning over to rain, but it'll be accumulating in some of the higher elevation locations there over the weekend. The coastal impacts, yes, the wind is going to be increasing to as much as 60 miles per hour in gusts. A high wind watch is up for Cape Ann right now and down over the Cape and the islands. A wind advisory likely to be put up for much of the region by the National Weather Service later today. We can expect building seas, of course, some splash over. The highest tide will be tomorrow afternoon around 2 o'clock. So between 1 and 3 tomorrow afternoon, that's when there could be some minor coastal flooding. So on Sunday, if it breaks out during the day a little bit of sunshine, we have a shot of going up to 60 to 62. We get more rain on Monday, but that'll be much lighter, won't contain much wind at all. And then it clears out on Tuesday and maybe kind of mild for Halloween. We may be going into the 60s on Halloween Day.